Welcome to NG Space. My name is Ngozi and you are welcome to my space. So today I am making ovenless coconut cake. Best for this Christmas period. You should be making one. Let's get started. For this recipe, I'll be using 4 eggs, which I'll be pouring inside my 3-in-1 Ninja blender. This is going to serve as my whisking machine. I'll go ahead and add the milk, the sugar, and the oil, sunflower oil, and I'll blend. Have you tried this method before? If you have, I would love to hear from you in the comment section. Also, all the ingredients used for this recipe I will be leaving in the description section, so go check it out. For my dry ingredients, I have 2 cups of flour, a tablespoon of baking powder and salt, and 2 tablespoons of my coconut flakes. I'll go ahead and mix that properly before I now introduce my liquid ingredients. I'll go ahead and mix the batter properly until I get the consistency I want. Afterwards, I'll add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. This is just perfect, the perfect texture. Now it's time for me to grease my baking pan. I'm using sunflower oil to grease my baking pan. So once I'm done greasing it enough, I will then pour in my batter. Tap to eliminate bubbles. So in the pan, I added some salt and heated it for 10 minutes on low heat, and that was done off the camera. I'll go ahead and add my butter in the pan there, and I'll cover for it to heat for 50 minutes. In order to keep the heat trapped in, I use paper and sellotape to cover that side of the pot. My ovenless coconut cake is ready. Not bad at all. First time trying this out. Anyway, if you stayed up to this point, thank you. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and do leave me a beautiful comment. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.